Now, in the last video, I said we make money marketing and selling supplements, which is true, but we make a living from building meaningful relationships, helping people do what we're currently doing. And what we're currently doing is using the ETM accountability model to find a weight loss path that you actually enjoy doing so that the results not only show up, but stay long-term. Again, this is me from January 1, 2021, completely embarrassed because here I am trying to sell a weight loss product and I done gained all my weight back. That don't work out very well. I wasn't practicing what I was preaching and I did not like that feeling at all. Now, this is me 6 months later, 29 pounds down. This is my second time seeing success losing weight with the supplements. So they work, but this time I had the secret weapon of the accountability model. And I absolutely love what and how I'm doing it, which this was what I was missing the first time. Our model will give you the awareness on how to have hope, faith, and love on your weight loss journey so that you actually keep the healthy behaviors it takes to maximize weight loss. Now, I believe that hope, faith, and love are the three most powerful positive emotions you can experience. Our model helps to establish these emotions with your own weight loss path. Faith, hope, and love abide, these three. But the greatest of these is love. Hit me up if you know where that comes from. But tell me something. What good does it do to spend your effort, time, and money in something getting results that don't stick around, only to have to start from scratch once again? Learn how to leverage your limited effort, time, and money by investing those resources and not spending or wasting them. Y'all remember merry-go-rounds? Man, I used to love those things as a kid. When you get a lot of kids on them, it would require a lot more effort to get it going. Now, once it got going, the momentum takes over and it does most of the work. You just got to keep giving it a consistent spin to keep it going. And that's what our accountability model does. It shows you how to consistently spin the momentum you get going. I was just the dummy who put his hands in his pocket the first time around and let that momentum stop. Don't let that happen to you. How this works is after you order your supplements from an accountability partner on our team, you will then be given a link to the onboarding process to create your own weight loss path with our step-by-step video. Our video will walk you through specific discovery questions that will help you clearly identify your desired destination and the baby step that leads toward success. Then our video will guide you on how to seamlessly fit that new baby step into your already busy life. Then your accountability partner, we're going to help you stay on that path by encouraging, cheering, and of course, holding you accountable to the path that you designed for yourself. I think it's important to know that the use of an accountability partner increases the likelihood of success by 95%, according to a study done by the Association for Talent Development. 2 are better than 1 because they have a good reward for their toil. For if they fall, one will lift up his fellow. But woe to him who is alone, for when he falls, he has not another to lift him up. Our aim is to help make you self-sufficient so that you don't even need the supplements or the accountability partner. But my hope is that you choose to stay because of the relationships that are built with not only me, but with the supplements and our community. Do I still take the supplements? I get this asked a lot. Bro, yes, absolutely. They still help to make it easier to eat right, to eat less, and to have more energy working out. So of course I still take them. And honestly, because I refer people and I cheer them on, we've been able to earn our product for free, as well as a 6-figure income from home. So I'm completely locked in to helping you and to building a relationship. Experience hope in your weight loss journey again. Make it easier on yourself to lose the weight and to keep it off by getting the referral link from an accountability partner and investing in yourself today. You'll keep experiencing the most. Love, peace, and chicken grease, baby. I'm out.